In this video, we're going to learn how to customize the live chat widget in ChatMaxima. First, log into ChatMaxima with your credentials and head to the Quick Access section. Next, navigate to the Channels section. In the Channels area, click on Live Chat to access the widget settings. Navigate to Manage Live Chat. In the Actions section, click the widget icon to access the settings. Navigate to Site Logo and click Choose File to upload your site's logo. Ensure your logo is 500 by 500 pixels, as this will appear when the widget opens. Next, navigate to Bot Logo. Click Choose File and select the bot logo, which will appear at the top of the widget. To customize the background, navigate to Widget Background Image. Select a background image and click Next. Now it's time to style your widget. Navigate to Select Theme Color and choose a theme. Then go to Select Theme Foreground Color to pick the foreground color. Once you've selected the colors, click Next. Next, you'll see widget options. If you enable speech to text, users can send messages by speaking. If you enable Allow Attachments, users can send files through the widget. Use the Align option to position the widget on the left or right by toggling the switch. Switch the toggle to No to remove the Powered By text in your widget. Disable single conversation to allow multiple separate conversation threads. You can also enable Dynamic Wait Time Reply by switching the toggle to Yes, then click Next to modify the text content. Here, you can customize the welcome title for your widget. Enter the label for the first message when agents are available, and if needed, add a label for the message shown during closed hours. You can also customize the Start Conversation text and the welcome subtitle. Then click Next to access additional configurations. If needed, enter your affiliate ID, Google AdWords conversion ID, and Facebook Pixel ID. Finally, click Submit Changes to save your customized widget. And that's it! Your live chat widget is now fully customized and ready for seamless communication through ChatMaxima.